Hello everyone, today we will learn easy steps to measure your body measurements for a kurti or a tunic. To measure your bust level, take the measuring tape around the fullest section of your bust level to measure this. To measure your below bust level, take the measuring tape around below your bust level to measure it. To measure your armhole, take the measuring tape around your armhole and back to the tip to measure it. To measure around your arm, this is your bicep level, so take the measuring tape around this area. To measure your elbow level, take the measuring tape around your elbow but keep ease to measure this. To measure your sleeve length, place the measuring tape on the tip of your shoulder and bring it down vertically till the required length. If it is a full length, you will need to measure it till your wrist level. To measure your waist level, this is your navel area, so take the measuring tape around your navel area to measure it. To measure your hip level, this is 7 inches below your waist level. Measure it taking it around your hip level. To measure your kurti length, place the tape on the midsection of your shoulder and bring it vertically down till the required length of your kurti. If your kurti is a floor length, the length will be till the floor, or if it is an anarkali, it will be till the level of your anarkali length. To measure your shoulder, place the tape on the tip of one side of the shoulder and bring it to the tip of the other side.